say put dark angels in the must there.
Man name, active man name. Active man name. Yo, open up Martin. What's up Martin? Let me share this man name. I'm play some custom in Martin. Me go active man. Which card that is so? Recently afraid. Yo Jam, open up Mali FF. Mali stream come on today? I come on Mali stream today, but me ain't coming. Yeah. Mali, you still a stream? I'm Mali stop streaming them. I'm going to read the chat. Yo, open up Milan. Active. Yo, where you see Milan? Me I go somewhere 12 o'clock. Alright, bro. Alright. Make a room. Open this. I make it, man. I make it, dog. Make a one tap. Man them is me play upon a upon someone stream. You see me, man them, and me say, dog, I be here with me a little, bro. Yeah, 2v2 do knockouts in a dog, and me say, bad man. Me just a leak in the red them quick, you afraid. Them the account where this year will give me more and try than me to customer. Alright. No baby gun open a lock on, bro. Lock on. Yeah, post some TikTok videos that they are dub days, bro. Video them that I post them a W cause God boss me and my friend. Let me see you doing good. Password is 1 2 3 4 4 though. Jomo YT is live on YouTube. For Milan, password 1 2 3 4 4 though. Me Ford Milan. Password 1 2 3 4. Hold on man, give me a minute dog. Come on, full of the room. Yo baby don't turn. That man just feel sweaty, bro. I know I didn't do nothing last night, man, them. Man, them, I mean, them call pinning no badness in a man, them. I block your freight, dog. That a creep, me nah rub killy. Up in a cash, one cash. Cash, no me idea play, dog. Dini, vamos, Dini, man. Vamos, Dini. My phone a chat, Jaja, bro. Yo, na fall up in a trap, man. No, me and Cash there. Cash, my 2v2, right? Didn't miss me play on a stream today, dog. I be here with me and chat, bro. Jailbreak that. Come 2 more man forward. Pause it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything 1v1 me. Okay, I look something for suck. Milan, here can I beat up a dog. Lick down your man, na brother. Box down your man, boy. Oh, dog, I stream. Lick down your dog, man, them. Oh, back out. Back out Naruto. Forgot to say dog alive. Back up, bro. Forgot, yeah, alive. Forgot the dog alive, man, them. Come, 1 more man forward, 1 more man forward. Pause it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more man forward. Do baby, do time. Come on, like up stream, dog. Come here, act up. Come on, we active up his stream, dog. You see, 2 more man forward, bro. 2 more man forward. Crazy? Who name crazy? What I mean crazy? What I mean crazy? What I mean crazy? Okay, here, alright, you know. Alright, you know, jailbreak, bro. Yanika, want me Yanika? I have to know Yanika. You know, state's mad. Come on, I like up stream, man. I like up stream, dog. I just hope some no player. You see, I just hope some no player. Bat out, dog. Come and say, bro, me I play today, dog. This Jamal? What you say? I mean, this Jamal.
I need blue wall.
I'm being just sweet, dog. Nothing you're good. There you want your shape stream for me. Jojo. But yo, all out in our play, I think say 1v1 cause think 1v1. Yo, open a real Danix, dog, active cousin. Danix, stop telling people boy. Where you check man account? I check nobody account, brother. Me give man for me account, man why my phone, man why me tablet, you see me? Yeah man burn back man account. Hey this a boy yeah. Man, me give man an account, you see it? And me say, yo, give me your account of the fees. The boy give me it, the man wipe me tab the thing say, because 3 know say him can't wipe. 3 know say him can't wipe iPhone. So me say, who this a little boy yeah? So I wipe back in phone them. I know you have to make that account, brother, but me still can't get the logs because you don't know if you chop account. Nah, chop the man account, bad man. Dini, man have if you say which every man have fun, brother. Do baby do brother but in this customer that I think say 1v1 wanna play dog. You know say no dog. Ah, now you understand it though. Yeah man. I will kill off all them man, didn't he? Bumbo killer didn't you hack? Dog, Itachi and Dini, turn off what you have, bro. Turn off what you have, Dini. Turn off what you have, Dini. So I'm going for my one in here, cause things enough I'm go for my one man them. Oh baby. What's someone just said, shot Mr. Dog? What's you in the pan? Bumbo dog. Yeah, Dennis, bro. Help me. Don't make man kill you, boy. Don't make man kill you, dog. Jesus Christ. Don't make man kill you. Don't make man kill you. Come help me. Come help me. Alright. You might take it. Come on, like up the stream, dog. Yeah? Sarge can't kill one man. How the bombard this? Force me and see this dog. Yo! Alright, come. Hold this again. Hold this, turn. Alright, come turn. Come show me something now, turn. Turn versus 2 man them. Turn versus 2 dog. One that. Alright, come. Glide back now. Come curve him. Boom. No dog, this didn't look safe at all. This don't look safe man them. But let's go say you don't know. Alright. Come, alright, slide through the wall. Slide through this, huh? Come, curve. Lock off in wall him out. Alright, bust up that. Bomba, jailbreak. Up in a easy BZ, bro. Active cause it. Come and see how BZ come, dog. Just a yearly falling, just a morning in the background. Come on, I'm not going to stream, dog. You know no vibes, go? Active to all that man them on stream, you see it. For now, I'm mad send 3 sub, bro. Man them want to reach 3k before. Hello, can't reach 3k, so. So I hope some reach before birthday, dog. Where do? Look at that dog. Come on, get out, man. Dini, you can't tell me. Yeah, man say you can't tell him, Dini. Man, I make you know saying thing tough. You see, Dini? Yeah, dog. How this? Oh. You can't each other, so you don't know. I'm circle another skull for you, see it. Come here, little boy. Nice. Tell us Dini, I can't say I don't know what your name can I mean no your name. And the beta. Easy beta. Beta in the city man them. Active no beta. Hold on there. Mad. Me give you a run. Yeah man boy give me a run. Are you me kill? Yeah man boy give me a run. I can't give me a run brother. This is gonna be the second time me kill a bad man. No sir. No. And I second time. I first time. No, it doesn't want me to kill the brother. Man ever bad but me give them run dog. Get out then. Bumbo clock man them. Bumbo clock dog. Aka man them. Come here, Aka. Yo, vamos man them. Wait now. Come here now. Come here. Yo, man, them wanna see that? Dog. Let me see that again. Dog. Yo. Yo, John dog. When you dip on live, your bad suck. So back here, my boy. Me not on the right street. Yeah man, yo. Boy, why you coming on my guns so you don't come in on me so dog. Next time you come in on me so, you know what I got brother, me I bust it on you again dog. No, hold on, what me just say like oh no man them don't take it so serious dog. Come. Yeah, you're lucky. Can't believe say them man get bully. Can't believe say you get bully. Can't believe say you get bully dog. I can't believe bro. Why am I go on it then now? No, don't go on it for this No, go on it next. No, go on it next customer. Go on it next customer. Bro, what the fuck? Dini, come on, can I see what I go on? Axe hurt, dog. You sweet me. You know anytime body drop in your mouth, that's so sweet me. Yo, all jokes man. That you want your body man and suck your mother. Oh yeah. Yo, jailbreak, seriously jailbreak? Sorry if you chop you. Who is Alex? Who is Alex? Who Alex chop? Who Alex chop? You're on ones here man. Who Alex chop? You're you jump right. Tinkerbell the way. Tinkerbell the way. Tinkerbell the way.
Double kill.
Alright, come watch and play, Serge. Don't make your money when you know, sir. Yo, God have mercy. Alright, 2v1. Okay, go give me, go give me. Don't make her gay. Don't make her gay. I know it's a jailbreaker, your brother, but don't make him gay. I know it's a jailbreaker, your brother, but don't make him gay. Nice. Nice, boy. Finish your kill, no, man. You don't want it? No, but. No, man, right, then can't kill her, yeah? Right, then can't kill her. Any make her kill than me. Dog, didn't come from out of the man house, but the boy. Could ya? Nah, I think I didn't kill. Just there, so they ain't too crack for me. Come here. Squeeze him now, man. Man, squeeze his throat, Dinny. You know, good. Double A, man. So he's my bad man in a dog. So he's my so he's my bad man in a dog. Man, I make an next 4v4, dog. The one that did mad, dog. Didn't make you bad kill him. You see me? Lagging war. Shut up, ball lag, man. You get your lose. How much killing come out with, man, them? How much kill did he come out with? How much kill me come out with? Don't look back on him, me know. Boy, the shaky, dog. Man, a bully, man, you're afraid. Yo! Which boy? Now you kill me come out with? Jaja. Forward. Man, the universe is your name. No bother with that. No bother with that. Pass it a 1, 2, 3 for a forward. Pass it a 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't see my screen come out. Man, squeeze right through it. Who did me while I got jailbreak? Forward man them. Oh, let me see much boy. Who ya? Close up headshot man, give money in a dog. I can't believe this, brother. No me use so much skill. One more man forward. 3v3. Who's jam? A man backward. What backward? Alright, man, how much kill this boy come out? You know? I come out with 5 kills, right? I come out with 9. 3v1. A man forward. 3 reaching already. Oh, come think I didn't for me. Yo, I think I didn't for me send the say no sir. I go back out of this. Cause some boy, every boy whatever this is one bully. Every boy jailbreak come and bully a little you. Pop your nigga. Can money na your nigga like kaya for that is yo pick your like oh so na money na your nigga like something time make you want work and jigga make you share can you got money na your nigga like feel it like you want. Oh. You know, just say the active dog. Do it again, boy. Come here. Do it again, boy. Come here. Are you not get that? Yo. Boy, that give me a teeth in a dog. Nice boy, nice. Yo, that give me yo, me know you see much chat me gear, brother. That give me two thief, dog. Believe me, no man. Me know say me never get that back, man. I headshot target here. Me I tell you that. Come. Nicely. We are doing the take out the man. Nice. Where do slay dog? Slack or slay man. Slay is SLA white.
Double kill.
Kuya, I win. Me need to see dog, I win. Yeah. The dog kill the man, brother. Disappointed, slay dog. Disappointed, bro. New trolls capo. So me I mess up. Time for me go pan some kills now, you know? Come on, man. Come now, Dini. No, me a war man, brother. Oh, me not go pick up your chat today, no? No, so I'm going to get it. And do that little slide, then me find out him. Reload no man, no reload this up. Yo! Dini, bro. Dini, seriously, Dini? Dini, man, them. Dog, Dini no good, bro. Dog, Dini a fall off, dog. Dini fall off, man, them. Leave him, pussy. Hey. Bumbo, dog, how me come through this, so? Me never come through this, and dog, I swear to God, brother. Me never come through this, dog. But you is wanna come? That's the whole place me there to go, brother. That's the only place me there to go, dog. I play with a little boy. Yeah, man. Can't play me. I don't care that about play. Boy think a little boy talk to little youth. No one says, man. Cause I'm box up again. One kid is crazy, dog. Yeah, little boy. I answer them to go war, yeah? Can't harm little boy. Me no man, come no man. Everything one war jam. What pick this in eye? What are they pass? Bombok something pass 1 million. Oh, I mini Cooper in eye. Low size up little boy. A little boy for me na dog. Tell me no man them. Yo, why you try to make you? How the boy ya? Who you dog? Jailbreak, see me. Jailbreak this. Come here. Nice jailbreak, nice. Jailbreak, yeah man, jailbreak them all. Yo, let me see what me do right, dog. I can't believe all no, bro. Right, man. Yo, didn't yo, me have go clip that little boy and post it on you, mint, you, man, them.
Double kill.
Yo, dog. I come, sir. Search versus jailbreak having a laggy problem. I wish this summer. Cause me a dunks. Me know me no born yesterday, no. I know say you do complain of custom if you have a laggy problem. Just assume a fuck say Jama beat up you. You don't know it would go man. You want a step further beat you. How that sound? Disappointment though. Nice. Boy, a boy search. What you do, dog? I will get it. 50. Come, two better them our man them, two better them. I better cause of them. Bumbo flag. But I declare better get it though. Declare better get it, dog. Check kills. Yeah. 1 kill. That's crazy. And the man not dead now. And no jailbreak not dead now. And me have to go. Me have to move that dead sign there. Go to 1 here. Yeah, go see. Come warm me jailbreak. Cause they ain't 2 hours. I'm go back on free fire max. You don't have to do that, man. Come on, you me a war. You know what I see? Bomba dog. Brother, man not there near me. Milan, the man not there near me, brother. Man there in yard, bad man. If you do hear man in there, you do hear man in there back there until you go suck your mother.
Skill on cooldown. Help me.
Man, they fire bad man. This a boy I can't come in, my brother. New Year get? Nice. 1 dot. Don't make didn't kill your brother. You can't get nil, dog. Why you got flop? Me even know, dog. I swear to God. Yo!
Double kill.
A jailbreak. I was saying ready now. We can't get nil so slide. Can't get nil so bro. Nice. Come here. Come here. Catch in throat. Boss it throat. Boss it throat. How you boss it throat here? Boss it throat now, man. Alright, come. Let's boss it throat now. I'm not telling them I'm boss it throat. Bomba. A jailbreak. Bossy. When I restart me, I'm gonna make it a custom name me now. Nil. Who not get nil? Me ain't get nil. Not even in this dog. Jesus Christ, but this the man little boy dog, I'm back out of this. So come on the little boy. As I do me one sad pussy. If you like you die to your mother boy. Back out of this man them. Let me keep up man them. Yo, wanna say, no, me I do MP night? I do MP night? Didn't a shit, dog. So Victor, that. Me I do MP night, dog. No, you go one time what him and him doing is suck your mother. No, you no mad. Tell me one time what him and come on, 20 likes every pass it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up. So Milan, so I know your phone no charge up Milan? Can't be say I know Milan tap it no charge up, dog. Come on, test Gaza there? Nah, test Gaza, bro. Gaza there, man, them Zin there. Compulsory, one man me a time. In a time, no man. Alright, one more man. All out. No, one tap. One tap here. No, 1v1 me, 1v1 but one tap. But I don't know if from here the MP night I can use it, but I don't know and I all out. Come on, I like up a stream, man. 11 man, dog, and come on, them 14 likes, come 20 likes every dog. Let's go, man. Them. Make cost 15 grand. Nah, stream long time, me dog. Come like, me no name nothing for about 5 months now. Me no hungry that made this happen like some hungry, brother. One v1, yeah. So man, come in here, so. Man ain't gonna go war. Hey, see me here. Oh, me see you. Are you there? Oh, jail again. But no man. Come through no man. Aye, come no. No man. Yo! Yes, but your mother no charge. Yo. Yes, if you look on your profile picture good. If you look on your profile picture good. I tell you. If you look on it good. You know see your mother self up, yeah? You may say carry cake, carry. You hear that? You don't name it carry. You look on it good. All girls get heads, but your mother do it better. Yeah, you hear that? That's the quote of the day, eh? To you especially, you know. To you especially. Come. Bumbo Clates Gaza. Yo, brother, I always want the GP dog, but this Gaza is my inspiration, man. Them. I don't have no inspiration. I mean, people is my people wanna be me, so they call me that I'm their inspiration. Yo, damn, have you pay me no okay, dog? What kind of sickness this? My name, I seen them on a gun skin and no skin pon the dog. Yo, you mad in bro. So Dini, you not play next one, Dini? Oh yeah. Hey, don't kill him.
Heads there.
Who me a war? Yeah, again, cousin. Yo, come little boy. Can't be say again, dog.
First blood.
Dog, better zipline bad man. Yo. Better the zipline, better, yo. I know I say me get clip on YouTube in a by later. Me see a man mention me or something. Yeah, stop comment and just like.
Resources here.
Alright, so alright, me know me how to do. Boy, what I bought them then now? How much skill me depon? 0 damage. Ah man, them
Resources here.
better than that jam. Come, let's go now. Made game, me dog. Alright, run us soon. Everything I come. If me get better if you get nil and 0 damage me depon. I just go in and spec for those couple minutes, you see it, and just hold off spectate the Fialo and 20 match well, you see it. You see me? We are too bomba. Yo, them boy are different, you're afraid that how that come.
First blood.
Any of my final say man, you see me? Alright, come. 1 out of 4. And know that they said and did all know no can kill a side because so good. See me a Gaza, me know say me a look for. No, not Gaza. Come on, jail. Come on, more, little boy. Move no man. Ah, no, me not getting damage, you know? God of mercy. Ah, no, me not getting no damage, dog. Dog, me can't believe. Me have to do some meds the end of the day say 0 damage. Yeah, me like how cap there. Yo, a man come give me a gun. Give me a gun, Reaper. Reaper, give me a gun, Reaper. Me need a gun. Give me a gun. W man, come on. No sir, guys, you don't more. God have mercy, me can't get 0 damage, dog. Any of me get 0 damage, that's something cause it. Get a damage, jam. Get a damage, nice, 63 damage, good. Hold on and then. Yeah, one is a spam. Better than Gaza. Yo. Yo, open the games that where pre. Yeah, that my good man. I don't know some of the reset skills in a cause. Just send 3 more sub that way you get them out cause. Come on, 5 more sub man, 5 more likes you need man them. Man them we only need 5 more sub in that we need 5 more sub for 2.82k man them. Let's go dog. 5 more sub we need man them. See my damage me get. Jesus Christ, 211 damage. Nice! Don't make you get nil, don't make you get nil, Father God, please. Nice! Bombard boy! Reaper! No sir, that jeep because you know that jeep and I'm milling no raids. That jeep then I'm milling no raids dog. Make it what man them. Man I wanna make one more like that dog. I wanna see if I'm a jeep no good or something dog. But that to me just do a while ago unexpectedly, you see me? I didn't really analyze that, say that would really happen that at the situation, you see me? Needs a music at that time and 2 jailbreaker on a day look hacker boy, you see me man them? Gaza, me don't know what boy, Gaza, me don't know what Gaza, but well, Gaza not kill me, I mean not kill Gaza. I don't know if I just the game or what dog. The game real lag or something another. Yo, this who come phone a charge, everybody phone a charge. Alright sir. Come on, pass it up be 1, 2, 3 for me see. Spam 1v1. No sir. Just put them over it live. But pass it 1, 2, 3 for no forward up man them. Shutter stop running. Shutter man I say if you stop running there, what are you doing Shutter? Shutter man I say iron. This up man na dog. This up man dog. My general 2 and I 80 there. Bombard. What kind of phone you play upon? Hey boy. Your batty boy Alex dog. Alex them a nasty boy now. Who them a boy ya? Who them a boy ya? Who are them in sir? Who them the boy there? 12 bro. Pass it 1, 2, 3 for me there. Come in here, me see now. Dini there? Dini, come na pass it 1, 2, 3 for 4 man them. I spam this here, call this spam. Yo man go on that side eh. Too much vengeance man I go beat me up, your mother. Too much vengeance man go beat me up dog. PC man Elangandorista Bombo. What is not this? Come on and pass it 1, 2, 3 4. 2 more likes you need man. Come on man, 2 more likes we start. 2 more likes we start man. OP Prime activate man. Shut up Alex. Come on, 2 more likes there. 2 more likes. 2 more sub. Who this? Who is Alex? Alex ain't all manners. Alex want me drop me. Alright. Up in a beast. Beast. One beast. Beast. Look over here, so dog. Zen. Dime man. S man or the bumbuck lad. Brother, right now, sweet cake a catch me dog. Put over jailbreak. Put over jailbreak. Oh no, I don't know how to make it back. I don't know how to make it back. Jail play again. Yeah, that thing if you do. That thing if you do in a dog. You know how to make it back? Because I don't feel like say over here so. Alright man, yo. Somebody have to go play next one dog. Yo, you know so me go get bullied though, me go. I get bullied dog. I can't play brother, I get bullied because I spam alright. Brother, I get bullied dog. I can't tell you about them. I just feed it out before the game all start, brother. I just feed it out before me all start. Before the game start, I feed it in my chest, my stomach, my knees I go play. Alright, because they say this. Spam money, but I don't know say it just use it. Victor Aka. Yo, nah, this not real a bomba, nah. Victor Victy, you did this. Hold on, there what this day. Let's go, man. Bombo clat, how that? Bombo clat jailbreak. All jailbreak catch me this dog. Alright, come, Prime, Victy dog. Victor, you now getting in chat, Prime. Good day, money knock already. Oh God have mercy. Whoya. Bombo. Zin. One of them turn on Akamut from this. One of them turn on Akamut from the screen. Turn on Akamut. Alright, Akamut turn on. All I'm turn on it. So, what is it again? Low power mode. Alright, turn on Aka mode. Aka mode turn on, eh? Everything I look a while ago. Wait, I'll jump back dog. Aka mode man them. Aka mode dog. Bro, I'm not gonna give no headshot dog. Wanna run for bro? Come on, yo, stop running. Alright, man, I jump me.
Help me!
Rascal, what's in there? Money black me. Bombo clan.
Double kill.
What one?
Kill.
Dog. Pray man, all this one left back. God have mercy, me Harry. Kuya. Yo, hold on the money, I can read the chat, dog. Give me a minute, man. Victor, dog, seriously, brother? Bombok. Jailbreaker. I probably jailbreak feeling strength in the pan of the side. Tell us any way we'll get it. Before we need with the bother go play, dog. How much kill? No man on the pan kill us out. What? Primary all this money and I'm trying to Victor. Coming in on walk one dog. No, what's my film strength? Let's go. No global. God have mercy, dog. Boy, oh boy, no global. Must count these kids for the justice. Global, 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 global. Nice. I'm gonna go for the one over there over here, so. What they saying there? I'm gonna go film, I go film, I go film. You know what's me I come? Bombard. Get out, man. Pull this no man, pull this no man, pull this no man. Don't me the so brother. Don't me the so that, don't me the so. No, 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 no. Nice. Get out. God have mercy, get out. Ah, someone dog.
Thanks.
Nice, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, cause thank God me a look. Thank God me a look. Let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. Let out the juggernaut, let out the juggernaut. God have mercy. Bro, me say let out the jugger, dog.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Can't nil. At least me get a kill. Enough man no depend. None. Me can't tell a man that.
Resources here.
Yo, come, me a come with the chat now, man, them.
Resources here.
Two small that and I mean, so if them make them suck you. If me make them suck.
Resources here.
We have buy UMP alone and nil this. Hawker's mood weird. Kuya, come can see Hawker's mood when I'm turning a while ago. Much you know see me chat a man choose zone. You know see? Ooh, see all of them just jump out for me. God have mercy. I can't swim on my swim on this one. Bombok na. Ah, sas mo kumo dog.
First blood.
Still on cooldown.
Triple kill.
GG's man, GG's dog. One tap or spam man, them one tap or spam. But I don't know if me gonna make it spam. Me now put no headshot only pon the so one tap or spam, me know. One tap or spam, no. One tap. One tap fours. Man, we make sure say they ain't fast, you know. I not add no man, so no man no say me no invite. You see me, you have to fast to come in, dog. You have to come in quick. Better for money that beer carry me here pass your dog. 1 million. I don't know what go on, dog. 180 me a see carry pass, but no, let me tell that already, you know. Alright, what kind of gun? So there's that. Oh, like, oh. One top. 1v1. Forward. Pass it 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Yeah, pass it 1, 2, 3. No, so I not had nobody. I need to tell a man say I not had nobody. And most of my tell a man better. Pass it 1, 2, 3, 4. I have forward. I now, no, I am. This full? Yeah. It's full, dog. Me the one inside. Me the one inside. 3. Yo. S man, on the pan stream. Zini, on comment pan stream. On choose man, the comment pan stream. On do tell them say them fi comment. Want see them comment pan stream. On comment pan stream, me see. No comment on not one both on the comment on no name pan stream. Probably. Are we gonna win nation? Me go spec. So one man can afford. You see they on stream. You see how long they're not on stream, brother. They're on stream, dog. Vengeance mans. You all on stream? You wanna tell? How we ma tell? Alex, you know si man. Here we on stream. Me Insta. Jam me a come, you can't come. I can't cause I see the girls. I can't come with this full. Yeah man, don't cost too much, man. Come. Prove in a match. Don't cost too much that. Prove in a match, bro. I go see a man in box up Alex now. You know, see, thing full, brother. I think full. I've got charge in the next one. I've got charge in the next one, Milan. Man, in the next one, I got spec in the dog. You see, I'm not playing the next one, dog. I spec, bro. So, anybody who want them clips can get the clips. You see. Come on, how about the 10%? I have walk in charge upon me.
Head there.
If me no get a kill, man go call my ass. Come here, no man.
Triple kill.
Call squabby. Call squad out. Kobe. You know say 1v1, so no 1v1.
Resources here. Resources here.
Oh yeah, a B a 0 damage. Zin alone come like him take out tuna. Alright, no 1v1. I see like a man take out tuna, don't 1v1. A man just shoot a man anyway. Cause from no see a man take out tuna. You see it. Can't help na bombard. And me na yell. Alright, me a try see me can do it. Me a try. Come by na. Enough man want play. Oh, jailbreak. You know what I'm saying, man?
Still on cooldown.
Comes in. Show some now, Zin. Show some now, dog. Bombard. Alex, you know, see, man, make you have 0 damage. Got you one night time, me see how cause man name, you see me? So, man, name make you shut up and make you up on 0 damage. Oh, yeah, do, bro? Yo, crampy man name, brother. Crampy man name, throat, dog. You know? Come make you afraid to boss man name, throat, Alex, dog. Alex, I do. Alex no want boss him and them throat, dog. Avengers man alone can't hit up my friend. So here's it. Bumbo clad. Bomba, little boy. Do size up, you. Appreciate it, cuz. Appreciate it, boy. Boy, jailbreak. Jailbreak. Yo, man, them. Dog, better 4 Aka and I play it, cuz a 4 Aka, Jaga, Zen, and then CO2, and the S-Man. A 4 Aka and I play it. Yeah, youth. And nil this boy. And nil this youth, you hear that? When I played 4 Aka, wanna feel like say when I go win 0 damage, 2 man depend, do bad to me, bad to God, cause I mean not your bad man. Take him out. Take him out. Oh, you catch that. Alright. Alright. Come. 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 Show something nice. Want that? Come. Next one. Next one. Alright. Come, Zine. Bombo Claw Zelda. Jail. Bombo Claw. I can't Alex this. I can't Alex this man them. Come here, look here. Look up. Bomba Neil. Neil, me things. Neil. Yo, man, we need some crap man there for war man them, brother. Some crap man. Yo. Vengeance man them. 3 Vengeance man them. Una up for 3v1. About 3v1. Una up for 3v6. I don't know if you're not up for 3v6. Let me know, bro. Most that's why I didn't come, didn't afraid. I'm not even up for 3v6, bro. No must have me aspect, you know. Me did block out from first round. Or did back out? Cause 3 man chop your dog. 3 man chop your dog. Oh god, bro. Man chop the man dog, say man back out cause come on, 4v4 dog. Man, me aspect, you see it. Me don't play dog. Me lick too much red, bro. Man come Aka too. 4v4 or 6v6, which one? One top. Four v4 or 6v6 one top. Which one? Or 4v4? Let me say them on 4v6 dog. 4v6. Your man say them on 4v6. Alright, 4v6, say it less. Yo, Milan, me now go out there in Milan. You have to go out yourself, dog. Oh, my son dunks this a while ago. Can't go out no man. Can't go out no man. Easy man him. Man in 40 files. Come 4v6. Me I speak. Alright, so me I don't know there. So I don't know teammate and go over there. So go over there and I don't know teammate. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 6 man them all come and I come right as a dog. So 4v6 about them say. See man them there. A gunman set in this no man them. Be a gunman dog. No man no want work, cousin. No man no want work. Already nil Zin pan Zin swim. Zin man say nil dog. Zin man say nil dog. Zin Alex. Bro, me like beef in a dog. Come na pass this 1, 2, 3, 4 dog. Me in a match, got go with the helmet. Come pass the 1, 2, 3, 4 on the forward up. In here gonna say no one play. Nah play that bro. Do nothing dog. Forward man pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Milan, back out of that, Milan. Come on, see man name beat your chest plate in a dog. No, play that. No man, no one play. Every man afraid. One afraid of dog? Gaza, what one afraid of? See man, him go play in a dog. I'm sure now. I know that boy. Me hear about him. This a dog I go play. This a one. Him a go play. Him. Dog, better I love that shirt here. Freight boy man. Dog, I don't know I love the shirt so dog. Yo, I love the shirt. If man I wear fish today, I have to do nothing. I go watch some food. This one here. Mad. Spanish just better. I'm a Spanish man them. See that them a scripts up here man. So no man no want play. Man ain't afraid dog. Man, say I go on the Android, man, them. Won't afraid of no bad. Man, say I go on the Android, brother. No, come on, bad man. Me can't be say man in the Lily game, dog. 4v6. Ain't them on a murder, man. You don't feel like say, Jaja, that. Yo. Me can't believe you say man him 10. Come 14 man there so man. Man him no forward up, dog. Come on, can take on them, man. Come 4v6. Come one more man there, dog. One more man forward. Alright. So 4v6, ready? I'm change up after that. No more man no forward. No more man can. I tell you. Ready, man them? You ready, dog? Four v 6 in a man them. Let's go, dog. You want to see Aka gameplay? Alright, bada. Alright, bada, bro. Alright, man them. They know we got the most talented gila. The most talented, underrated gill, man them. They don't know Zin, S-Man, Spanish, Yazid. Well known for the Spanish, man. Yazid. Let's go. Everything nervous, everything shake up. But yeah, black boy, what you doing? Kneel them again, me can't tell. Come. Alright, jailbreak. Play another one, jailbreak. The other one gonna be some 4v4 one tap as he. Alright, come jailbreak. You me call jailbreak him. Nice bombard. Bombo clot. Oh, what do you mean going? Bombo clot.
Double kill.
Yes. What going?
Double kill.
Bombo clot. Hold on there. Bombo clot. Dog. Them your money on. Yo, hold on, them go. Hold on. Alright, guys. Hold on.
Double kill.
Hold on them and them. Give me a minute then. 'Cause what I see here is mine. How much you give me say?
Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill.
Yo, hold on. Up in a bow jack jam. You buying sales since you bought it already, bro. I bought it already. I need a guild to play with you. Tutu! Mad! The man, this is a crack one, man. See ya. Them boy, but that will win. 2-3 games, say man, them come back. Just go get a special active, you know? Look back at you. Where? Nice. Bombard. So crack on this. Nice. Yo, Zenem. How creative no man them.
Double kill.
I didn't this.
Triple kill.
Brother, you know, some bought it, bad man. I bought it, brother. We hear them money I go win them. Too much of them pon back that. Too much of them pon back. Ah, I don't say boy man them I go get nil. Oh, come just say say about jailbreak there. I you see my phone come take it off, brother. I must say me lag out of my iCloud dunks. Nice. Comes in. Don't come through now. Anybody who plan to come through, don't come through. Clear? Bombard. Money. Clear? Don't come through, don't come through. Man, we take out the 200, right? Man, we take out the 200, dog. Dixon side there. Yeah, Spanish dog. Yeah, Spanish bro. Spanish active this side there. Spanish member say vengeance, man. No, alright, go tell you, right? This one era, you see it? Him? This one era. I crap about this, you see it? Okay, right. Suck camera down, and hold that time, but suck camera, boy. Try too much, man. Nice! Kuya! Do! Let me see man go get it. Kuya! You really come through this, are you? You really come through this, huh? Nice. Yo, what else something? What is on a TikTok? Crack your fret, dog. Double your man still. Come on, man. Say no, man. One tap now. 4v4, one tap. Alright. Make a 4v4, one tap. You see? Double. Yeah, man. We have to give that them a round of applause. You see me? They win. What's in I say? Bro, what happened? What happened? Man pick up an axis. Ja. 4v6 please. Who want 4v6? 4v4 1v1. Yeah, me know. That me I go do. One tap power spam no. Let me tell you what I say. Most money in my room, brother. Okay, so I say. Come, alright, that 6 player my guild. Who want guild war? But who want guild war after this, you know? After 2 more match you guild war. Me know, one tap me do. Also, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them. 4v4, 1v1. That's it. Can add my 6 players, never come on stream, brother. Also, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. All this money me had, this a boy. Come smell, yeah, all this money me had. Me aspect. Paul said 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up man. Bombard. One more fall. man there. One more man for a dog. Honestly, you don't want to play Guild War? On no type name on stream. Oh, they want to play then Guild versus Stream House. Oh, man, I know what I'm play. After this. No, we not about to play no Guild War. Not about to play no Guild War. They meant I'm not ready now, cause Jane is here. Alright, he not bro. Alright, ready. Bumbo clot. I'm just doing that. Come on line back. Bumbo ass clot. Oh, I'm reaching. I'm white mid. Alright. Oh, everybody get to come in. 1v1, yeah, 1v1. Remember say 1v1 in a bro. These seminars stream for too long in a dog. These seminars stream for too long. Probably ain't stream at 2 o'clock. Alright, come. Reaper knock. Smiley knock. You alone, bro. Watch your back in the cause. Can't this a bomb talk? Hold on. Look, we're gonna have a this is jailbreak. Josh King, are you a reaper? Come jailbreak. Come jailbreak, show something. Jailbreak a couple man in the house. I two now buckle down here, so yeah, man. One that! Nice boy! Come, watch your back in now, cuz. Nice, box out of that, cousin. Two that. Boom, boom. Oh, yo, me watch jailbreak. Alright, come. Oh, you turn white. Some boy have to spec. Oh, me want to spec bad man.
Double kill.
Them can't handle the room. I say I need the man market. Oh job.
First blood.
Yeah, let's say job again. You go job again now. Man dunks yo. Yeah, come down. Yo, nice boy. Where jailbreak? Jailbreak, I always man left back man them.
Double kill.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I come play next one here, man. Oh, yo, no one play one spam and one top. You play one spam. Like add UMP in it. Which get away at that boy. Take out headshot on him. Jumbo, where they start emote? What emote? Man. The police, man, what emote? Yeah? So just know say I spam this one, you see me? So a man can go up on rooftop do anything they want. And if you don't want to look out in one line teeth, they have no business. So make sure I go type is spam 6v62 forward up, also the 1 2 3 4 forward. You wanna add me up. You all wanna add me up, dog. I gotta turn it up, Jamal. Alright, cause come 2 months money for 3 months money for me. Three more person for I'm white more than dark, bro. Forward up on them. 2 more person forward. 2 more somebody. Jane is here, alright, cause 4v6. No, brother. 4v6. Oh. This already focused. This is me. Come one more somebody need. One more somebody time. It's a games that. My name I only need one more sub in a dog. One more sub I need for 2.81k dog. Only need one more sub. Thank you for myself. You only need one more sub, dog. One more sub me only need, dog. Add me. You did come from my video up in a KK. Me no remember, you know. KK, Batty Big, you have to come and me know you. Yeah, KK? You come and me know you. One more man forward. Only one more sub we need dog, you see it? Respect you, man, I appreciate it dog. Ready out dog. I do something. Be right back. Alright. Just tell me an IG, baby girl. Bomboya. Yo man go take out the wallet everything dog and man ma gang me. Oh. Bomba, me can't see them. Come on, see me. You better get tea, the man in progress. Oh, me so. Brother, you see them little zip lines, some of the dog, brother, them, yo.
Resources here, resources here, resources here. Resources here. Resources here. Resources here.
Head there.
So the man just want to push down. I don't know the man still saying. Oh, me can't catch him. Fuck, I eat him, man.
Double kill. Double kill.
Help me!
Man, in the upper top, you see me? Me can't really push dog. Come try again now. You fucker, yo.
Resources here. Resources here.
Resources here.
Resources here.
Resources here.
Me attack him, but me attack him, but.
Skill on cooldown. First blood.
Me come on there. Boy, you're not gonna go in fuck down. Yeah, dog.
Double kill. Triple kill. Double
Bomba. Jamal, what me a do? You know, see me a try to lick down the man box them, brother. Brother, me not watch me butt dog. That me not do that, but my butt still good. Who the punch charge still? I'm take off. You see me I play different now, watch who the punch charge. You can see me try to chat me. I told me the punch charge, jail. See me have to watch your back, boy.
Help me!
Boy. I appreciate it, jail. Jesus Christ, jail. Watch your back. Jail, you can't hear me, jail. What is a jail? Oh boy. Man, me I stream after this dog. That they didn't have this one.
double kill.
Resources here. Resources here.
First blood.
Come no man, come through no man, come through no man.
Thanks.
Fuck you. You know say they come through boy. You long me upon the man them. Me active up now.
Kill.
Me walk around upon them man them. You're dead in a so good. You can't win pussy. Nice no man. Easy no man. Cause them on stream.
Resources here.
Hit there.
Resources here. Help me!
Nice.
Kill. First blood.
Help me! Help me!
Double kill.
GG's.